In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer to your Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. So go to admin.shopify.com and log into your account. Now from here, we want to click on Online Store and it will redirect us to our themes. So from here, click on Add Theme and visit the theme store. Now we can add a theme that has a built-in countdown. So let's just search here, countdown. So you will see a bunch of different themes with countdown timers. But unfortunately, most of these themes is not for free. So if you want to add a countdown timer for free on your Shopify store, what you want to do is go back. Now go to your settings, click on Apps and Sales Channels, and click on Shopify App Store. Now from here, just search for Countdown Timer, and you will see a bunch of different countdown timer apps right here. So let's just select this Essential Countdown Timer bar. Now click on Install. Again, click on Install. After clicking on Install, it will redirect you to the Essential Countdown Timer app itself. So from here, simply click on Create New Timer. So you can select this timer type, either a product page, top or bottom bar. So let's just select this top or bottom bar. Now you can add the timer name. So let's say flash sale, then hurry up, sales end in this. So you'll see this is the preview of your countdown timer. And you can just simply customize all of these different options right here. So there's this timer type, timer starts, end date, and simply click on continue to design. Now again, there is another settings right here, options, the positioning, template, the color, typography, your fonts. Again, click on continue to placement and click on publish. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.